First day shooting on the new Lumix S5. I did a client shoot. Super pumped at the quality of this, and it's just a kit lens. I'm getting a new lens pretty soon, and very happy with the new camera. That's just what we do. We don't let things get us down. We make things happen. Bad shit happens, and we just bounce it out. We just bounce around it, come up with solutions, and figure it out. Very pumped.
I gotta write that down. That's gonna be a bit.
James, do you ever use the good old pen and paper, or is it always
It's mostly my phone, because like when I'm out and about, it's easy to grab this.
Alex, introduce yourself.
I'm Alex. What else do you want to say?
I don't know. Give us a line.
I'm not a comedian, but I like to do. I've done stand-up twice, and it was fun. I'm a leasing consultant now. That's exciting.
Ooh. Wait,
I got a new job.
Hi, I'm Jessica, and I love Dylan.
To say that the man who broke into our home and stole my camera didn't affect me is an understatement. But I just feel like when you find yourself in these situations where something kind of crappy happens to you to no fault of your own, the only thing you can do is to just absolutely crush it in whatever it is you're doing. So I have this new camera. I'm gonna go and get way more clients. I'm going to bust out so much new content for this YouTube channel, and I'm also gonna go out and shoot right now and test out this new camera and show you guys what kind of shots it's capable of on this new kit lens. And that's what it is. I think of all the successful people that have come before me and have gone through such amazing obstacles to get to where they are today. And this situation right now is no different. All it is an obstacle. I crashed my drone, just an obstacle. My camera gets stolen, just an obstacle. Whatever it is, I'm gonna get through it, and I'm gonna more than get through it. I'm gonna fucking crush it, because this type of stuff fires me up. Let's go. Never seen this many people here since I've been here, so that's a good sign. Lake Union always amazes me because of the pure chaos going around. The amount of boats that are there, and literally planes take off and land in this lake. So it's pretty wild.
Do you think this guy breaking into our house has like taught you any like life wisdom?
I'm slowly coming out of it, but it triggered something very existential for me, which scares me. Like, none of this matters.
There you have it, everyone. For whatever reason, Jessica is taking the existential approach to this, which I get. I go there sometimes myself. I was trying to figure out the silver lining, but you know what? We each have our own perspectives on the situation. But check out what's going on out here right now. It's pretty sick. We're in Gasworks Park, and it's like finally summer in Seattle. It's like warm out, and everyone's out here, and it's a vibe. So, I'm trying to think of any closing statements that I have to say about all of this. You know, I don't really want my channel to be some self-help channel, because I don't really know what the fuck I'm doing with life anyway at this point.
but I like to think that I'm decent at making videos and talking to the camera and coming up with stuff to show you guys. Basically, the main attitude is I'm not letting anything get me down. Find the possibility in everything. And that can be small. That can be going to the grocery store and if they're out of avocados, ask if they have any in the back. And if they do, then you get avocados, right? So, no, I don't know where I'm going with this. What do you think, babe?
Yeah. You took my breath away. Losing you is like living in a world, no air. Oh, I walk, I ran, I jumped, I flew right off the ground.
Who sang that song?
Jordan Sparks and Chris Brown.
Isn't that the person that he like?